Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing great. Today there are a lot of bikes coming up in the automobile industries, but there are few legendary bikes that even now we can't forget them. We are coming up with a review of one of those 1990s legendary bike which is liked by most of the people even today. So this is Jawa's YEZDI ROADKING 250. This was produced in India by Ideal Java Limited Mysore from the year 1978 up to 1996, and one we are reviewing in this video is of 1995 model. Java motorcycles were sold under the brand name YEZDI, and in those days these bikes were used in most of the rallies and motorcycle sports. This bike has a 250cc air-cooled 2-stroke single-cylinder engine and has a 4-speed transmission gearbox. It has a telescopic suspension at the front, and at the rear there is a hydraulic shock absorber. At the front you get a complete halogen headlamp and indicators and a very basic kind of analog speedometer without any fuel indicator. Here you get a normal headlight and indicator controls. It has a 16 liters of fuel tank and seats are on the low riding position. There are few unique features on this bike, that is semi-automatic clutch and Java's trademark, which is integrated gear shifter and kickstarter, along with the dual exhaust. Guys, now let's check out the exhaust note of this bike. Do hit on the like button for this Java sound. As this bike is maintained in a good condition, now it's giving an average mileage of around 30 km per liter. And guys, if you are interested in this bike, you should definitely look it in the used market, and for the spare parts they are available in Mysore. Hope you guys like this video. For more automobile and tech reviews, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next one.